Microneedling is one of the best non-invasive procedure out there that can help you stimulate your collagen, stimulate your elastin, and make you look fabulous. Microchannels are created in the skin, and the body uses that natural healing process from those microchannels to give you that smooth, radiant look. Microneedling is great for acne scarring, hyperpigmentation. It is great for skin texture and tone, fine lines and wrinkles, and it is great for all skin types. After the procedure, you will have a redness to your skin, looks like kind of a sunburn feeling, and that sunburn feeling will last for about 2 to 3 hours. The actual redness of the skin should diminish within 2 to 3 days. What I would recommend after microneedling is definitely sunscreen, 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 sunscreen. I love me some microneedling. Look at my skin texture and my tone. It is great for any skin texture and any tone.